Hey there, creators! Thumbnails are the first impression of your content. Whether it's for YouTube, Instagram stories, or other platforms, they can make or break your click through rate. Today, I'm showing you how to use Midjourney to create eye catching thumbnails that stop the scroll and boost engagement. We'll explore everything from bold color choices to layered designs for maximum impact. Before we dive in, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and insider tips that can help you take your thumbnails to the next level. Ready to level up your social media game? Let's get started. A great thumbnail grabs attention with a composition that stands out. Think about what draws your eye when you're scrolling. Images with a clear focus, great symmetry, or an unexpected angle. In Midjourney, you can experiment with the dynamic prompts that shape your design's layout. Now, here's a tip: keep the background simple and let your main subject pop. And if your thumbnail includes text, leave space where it won't get lost in the visuals. Now, let's set up a thumbnail composition that balances the main subject and background to perfection. And here is my prompt. Alrighty. Visual composition for a social media thumbnail featuring a central character holding a glowing object. Bold text space on the right. All right. Cinematic lighting, depth of field blur, warm orange, and cool blue tones. Okay, let's send this off right now. Okay, so we're telling Midjourney exactly what elements to highlight here. Notice how we've specified the glowing object as the focal point and make sure to include a text-safe area. This helps ensure that the important parts of your thumbnail aren't covered by overlays later. And now, let's see how Midjourney interprets this request. Okay, the process won't take much longer. Alrighty. Here it is. As you can see, with this thumbnail right here. Pretty cool, right? See right here, the glowing object is instantly eye-catching. See right there in the center, and the blurred background makes this subject pop even more. The warm and cool tones create a dynamic contrast that's perfect for grabbing attention. Now, this type of composition is great for announcement-style thumbnails or dramatic reveals. There's the other two. And last one. I think I like this one more. Even this one, and even this one. Color is one of the most powerful tools in your thumbnail design toolbox. Whether you're aiming for excitement, curiosity, or urgency, the right color scheme can make all the difference. Have you noticed how some thumbnails use contrasting colors like blue and orange to create drama, while others go for softer pastels to create a calm, inviting vibe? Now, Midjourney can help you experiment with different moods by guiding it with specific color prompts. So, let's create a thumbnail design that uses contrasting colors for maximum impact. Okay, here we go. See right here, let's go for a character standing on a neon light rooftop, neon lit, sorry about that, at night. Dramatic contrasting colors of pink and teal, glowing accents, futuristic vibe, ultra realistic textures, and go for cinematic framing. Also, don't forget to add this one, social media thumbnail. Right, so let's send this off right now. Okay, so by specifying neon hues and complementary colors, we're setting the scene for an eye-popping thumbnail. Pink and teal, for example, evoke a futuristic tech-forward vibe that grabs attention and stir curiosity. All right, so in any moment now, we'll see what Midjourney delivers with the rendered images for our social media thumbnails. All right, it's clearing up. Okay. Wow, look at that. The neon pink and the teal glow that creates a stunning effect that feels like a movie still. It's kind of creepy, by the way. And notice how the glowing accents and realistic textures add depth. See, this is the type of thumbnail design that commands attention for tech-related content, game reviews, or nightlife event promos. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Finally, let's add some layers to create visual depth. Flat designs can be effective, but adding overlapping elements, blurred foregrounds, and sharp backgrounds takes your thumbnail to the next level. Now, think of it like building a scene from a movie. You want to guide the viewer's eye to the action while creating a sense of environment. And so, let's try a layered approach that adds motion and complexity to a dynamic thumbnail. Okay, so here's an example. So let's say I want to go for a high energy sports thumbnail with the athlete midair, the blurred foreground with the crowd for depth, confetti explosions in the background, intense lens flare lighting, dark contrast surrounding the main subject, and has to be an ultra detailed action shot. Yep, here it is. And let's send this over right now. Right, once again, we've asked Midjourney to combine multiple layers, foreground, midground, and background, just to create a sense of energy and motion. Now, this helps build a story in just one image. So let's see what it comes back for us. All right, the results are now loading up right here. There we go. As you can see, with each one of them, let's look at the first one. And as you can see with this action shot, okay, this looks kind of weird with the body position. Now for the second one, yep, you can see right here with the sharp focus on the confetti right here that bring in that celebratory energy. And another one right here. See the blurred crowd that adds a sense of perspective right here. And one right here. Oh, and also, if you think these results may look weird, you can just try to rerun everything. Now, let me click that once again. All right. Just wait for a moment for this process. It might not take a long while. Just be patient right here. Alrighty. Okay, here's the second batch right here. And, oh, looks like this one. Thumbnail. Okay, this is almost perfect right there. Look at the leg right there. It didn't look quite right. Oh, this one looks good. See? Right here, and another one right here, and another one right here. Okay, this one more perfect right here. So this kind of thumbnail is perfect for highlight reels, sports recaps, or any content where you want viewers to feel part of the moment. And yep, there you have it. 3 ways to use Midjourney to create thumbnails that grab attention and boost your social media presence. Now, whether you prefer bold compositions or dynamic layers, there's no limit to what you can create. And as always, once more, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra tips and resources. And lastly, be sure to share your Midjourney thumbnails in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. And that's about it. Till next time, happy creating!